everyone, it's Katie, and today welcome to part 2 of my new marker unboxing, how to draw tiara sparkles. So I'm now going to be animating it. So first I'm just going to animate it what I started with. I'm going to try to cover up as much of the gray lines as I can. It's my new black marker. And this is not a Sharpie. So see how I'm trying to cover up the gray pencil lining? Well, that's because I want my drawing to be with just markers. But first I decided to do it with a pencil so that I knew where to outline and animate so I wouldn't mess up. Whenever I started drawing, I always start with pencil. Every time you draw, always start with a pencil so that you don't mess up, because you can erase pencils. Speaking of pencils, I wonder why pencils are gray. Okay, I'm going to animate her eyebrow. And animate her eyes. Very easy. Making the black in her eyes a little bit big. Make it look like eyeliner. That's okay. Okay, so I had to draw a little bit a little bit bigger because I messed up. And that's okay. So see, I got one eye animated. Oops, I got a little bit of a black marker on my finger. Well, that's okay. It will come off. It's not a Sharpie. These are some great markers. So see how I'm just taking also animating her eyes, like the actual Happy Places shoppie. This is a good drawing. Okay, so now what's next? I'm gonna animate her crown, or her tiara. If Tiara Sparkles was a queen, she would probably be named Crown Sparkles. Because Tiara Sparkles is the princess shoppie. Like Gemstone is also a princess shoppie. They have a couple of princess shoppies. Well, Gemstone is actually kind of a queen. And Rainbow Cape is a fairy. And they also sell mermaid shoppies. So is cool featured shoppies that they sell are mermaid shoppies, princess and queen shoppies, fairy shoppies, and limited edition shoppies and mermaid shoppies. Well, I think they only, they also have an angel happy places shoppie, but I don't have her. Freya Fear Froyo, I think her name is. I think that this is my favorite Happy Places shoppie. There's lots of gold on her. So I'm just now animating those straps on her skirt. Rainbow Kate also has them on her skirt, see? She also has these sleeves on her dress too. Isn't that cool? Okay, let's keep animating. Ooh, beautiful. This is a cool marker. Okay, I animated her skirt. So let's just take a look at it. Okay, what do we need to animate? Her arms. Okay, time to animate her arms. And there, I got her arms. Now what do I need to animate? Well, her hair. Her back hair. Okay, now I'm going to animate her nose and her lips. Okay, so now to complete the animation of Tiara Sparkles, I need to animate her legs. Animate animate these bracelets on her shoes. Animate her shoes. And I finished my animation of Tiara Sparkles. Now who do we need to animate? Can you spot on it? I'm looking at her right now. The candle. So let's animate her. This is kind of looking like a trophy. Well, it is going to be pink. My animation is already looking beautiful. Am I stepping on something? No, I'm not stepping on something. Okay, got the face. Okay. Now. Okay, so. Now I'm gonna animate the crown. Okay, where are my tissues? Okay, where are they? There they are. Okay, I just need to get a tissue. Be right back. Okay, back. So now let's animate the candle. I like how one has the eyes open and one has the eyes closed. Okay, now time to animate the handles. Well, I already animated one, but I didn't finish. Okay, I'm just like checking to make sure that you guys can see me coloring. Because I don't want to mess up a video. Okay, finished outlining tiara sparkles and the candle. Now it's time to animate the floor. What color should the floor be? I don't think the floor should be wooden. The floor should be like a carpet. Ooh, a fancy carpet. The carpet could be red. Yeah. Because of her dress right here, there's a little bit of red on it. Oh no, her head fell off. That's okay. Can just snap right back on. And she kind of has that blondish hair. So when I'm coloring her hair, it's going to be blonde. Okay, so it's now starting to look like a cartoon. So I'm actually trying to turn it into a cartoon picture. So it's going to look like a cartoon. Well, there is a Shopkins Chef Club movie. They probably have Shopkins cartoons. Probably on YouTube. Maybe probably on Netflix too. Well, I don't know. Oh no, I got a little bit more marker on my fingers, see? Well, that's okay. It will come off someday. Okay, I'm just like checking the drawing. Okay, the marker is still working. The reason why I got new markers is because all my markers were starting to run out of ink. Well, that's okay, because all you need to do is get new markers. It's fun to get new markers. Whenever I get new markers, new crayons, new pastels, I'm going to make a video of them. Speaking of pastels, I actually have some pastels. They're with my crafts. Arts and crafts. There's some of my drawing utensils. I think I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the mirror. Yeah, that's a detail I wanted in the mirror. Okay, I'm all done animating. And this is what it looks like. I'm just going to draw one more star right here. There. Actually, no, I'm going to draw another star. There, now I got enough stars. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video where I was animating. And make sure to watch the video where I color it. Bye.